Hi, I'm Christy from Grok Learning. Welcome to the NCSS Challenge 2018. In this video, we're going to have a look at some of the changes to the intermediate stream. But first, let's have a look at the challenge itself. It's a 5-week-long coding competition where we teach students to code as they go along. We have something for complete beginners all the way up to our more experienced coders. Every week, we release a set of notes and problems, and students submit these problems to our intelligent auto marker. The auto marker will provide them with intuitive feedback to help them get their programs right. This makes it very easy for teachers that are using the challenge as part of their classroom activities. We've made a lot of exciting changes this year and we can't wait to share them with you. In this video, we're going to have a look at some of the changes to the intermediate stream. The intermediate stream is designed for more experienced coders, so students either need some experience in Python or to have completed one of our beginners courses. It's aligned to the Year 9-10 Australian Curriculum for Digital Technologies, and it covers concepts such as advanced control structures, functions, and data structures like lists and dictionaries. We're going to have a look at a sample problem now. Okay, now for an example from the intermediate course. So these questions are going to start off a little bit harder than the beginners because they have the beginners course as assumed knowledge. So in this program, the students are asked to take in 2 different sets of input and then output a sentence using those words. So in the example, it's using first word code, second word learn. I code, therefore I learn. So if we type this in, like this, and don't forget to put your quotation marks. Like this. And I'll make an intentional mistake there so you can see how the marker is going to work. And then we want to print I plus the word spelled right plus. Now the tricky thing here is that we've got to make sure that students use the right commas as well. So this is something they might have to do a bit of trial and error when they run to make sure they get all the spaces and everything right. This. And then we can run that and see what happens. See if that works. And so you can look at this and I can immediately myself see that my output is not going to be right because I am missing some spaces just here. So that's the first thing to work out. So it means I needed a space there. We run it again. I'll do think and learn. Okay, so now I think I've got the right answer. So I can mark this, see what happens. And as you can see, I failed a test. It says testing the punctuation in the input prompts. So it didn't produce the correct output. So again, it gives me the option to compare the code. This is what I've made and this is what it should show. And you can see there's a difference here because I am missing my colon there. So I can put that in, mark it again, see what happens. And now I have everything correct. And you can see it goes through a lot of different examples of testing this to make sure that everything is right. And it includes testing a hidden case. So that's to make sure that students aren't hard coding this. Thanks for watching the video. We're very excited to see you compete in the NCSS Challenge 2018.